Hello and welcome. Today, we will explore strategic human resource management and its vital role in driving organizational success. In this session, we'll examine key concepts, frameworks, and strategies from the Pearson BTEC Level 7 Extended Diploma, highlighting how effective HRM aligns with business goals and enhances performance. The assignment involves a 4,000-word essay and a management report. It centers around Orion Tech Solutions, PLC, requiring Harvard referencing. The goal is to achieve a pass grade by critically analyzing strategic HRM theories. Tasks include evaluating HRM alignment with corporate strategy and assessing global workforce challenges. The single submission rule applies. Explore strategic HRM theories and their alignment with corporate strategy. Assess the global workforce challenges and their impact on organizational performance. Frameworks like best fit versus best practice and resource-based view are crucial. High-performance work systems and Ulrich's HR business partner model offer valuable insights. Strategic workforce planning is key to long-term success. Go beyond description by engaging in critical comparison. Apply HR theory directly to the Orion Tech scenario. Evaluate the long-term strategic impact on competitiveness. Support your analysis with robust academic research. This approach ensures a comprehensive understanding of strategic HRM. Analyze workforce planning strategies and evaluate recruitment approaches. Critically assess talent management practices to ensure organizational effectiveness. Strategic HR tools like gap analysis and workforce forecasting are essential. Competency frameworks and employer branding strategies support talent acquisition. Succession planning models are vital for future growth. Evaluate performance management systems and analyze employee engagement strategies. Assess their impact on productivity and organizational culture. Frameworks like the Balanced Scorecard and 3-6-0-degree appraisals are crucial. Engagement surveys and reward strategies enhance employee motivation. These elements drive a productive and positive workplace environment. Critically analyze the impact of employment legislation on HR practices. Evaluate diversity and inclusion strategies within the workplace. Assess ethical HR decision-making and its implications. Legal frameworks like the Employment Rights Act and Equality Act 2010 are essential. GDPR compliance and ethical frameworks guide responsible HR practices. Begin your report with an executive summary and strategic context. Apply HR frameworks and engage in critical evaluation and comparison. Provide strategic recommendations based on your findings. Conclude with a summary of key insights and future directions. This structured approach ensures clarity and depth in your analysis. Focus on critical evaluation rather than mere description. Integrate HR theory with practical applications for strategic level argumentation. Ensure clear linkage to organizational outcomes throughout your work. Use Harvard referencing consistently to support your analysis. Meeting these expectations is crucial for academic success at Level 7. Submit your assignment via email to the specified address. Ensure all criteria are addressed in your single submission. Formative feedback is available before the final submission. Once submitted, no resubmission is allowed. So, ensure accuracy. Maintain academic integrity throughout your work. Dive deeper into strategic HRM theories and their practical applications. Understand how these theories align with corporate strategies. Analyze their role in addressing global workforce challenges. Examine their impact on organizational performance and competitiveness. This understanding is foundational for effective HR management. Explore various HR tools and techniques used for strategic management. Gap analysis and workforce forecasting are key for planning. Competency frameworks guide recruitment and development. Employer branding and succession planning ensure long-term talent retention. These tools are essential for a robust HR strategy. Understand the frameworks that underpin effective performance management. The Balanced Scorecard and 360-degree appraisals offer comprehensive insights. Engagement surveys and reward strategies boost employee motivation. These frameworks are crucial for enhancing productivity and workplace culture. Implementing them effectively is key to organizational success. Explore the importance of ethical practices in HR management. Analyze the impact of employment legislation and diversity strategies. Understand the role of ethical decision-making in HR. Legal frameworks like GDPR compliance are essential for responsible practices. These considerations are vital for maintaining integrity in HR. Develop strategic recommendations based on your analysis. Focus on aligning HR practices with corporate goals. Use insights from HR frameworks to guide your suggestions. Ensure recommendations are actionable and supported by research. This approach strengthens the strategic impact of your HR management. These insights are crucial for aligning HR practices with organizational goals. Apply these strategies to drive success in your HR endeavors. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 074-843-61688. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention and see you at the next session.